horse in silence chomped the grass on the forest earth floor, and the bird flew out of the torrent, upon the traveler's head. And he smote upon the door again, a second time.
Is there anybody there?
He said, but no one descended to the traveler. No one from the deep cave sea leaned over and looked into his gray eyes, where he stood perplexed and still, but not only a horse of phantom listeners that dwelt on a lone house then, stood listening in the quiet of the moonlight for the voice of the word of me, stood thronging in the eight moonbeams on the dark stairs that goes down to the empty hall, hearkening and ears cleared and shaken by the loneliest traveler's calls. And he felt in his heart their strangeness, their stillness answering his cry, while the horse moved, crawling in the dark, neath the star and neath the sky. Who suddenly smote the door even louder and lifted his head.
Tell them I came, but no one answered. Then I kept my word.
He said, nevertheless, fear made the listeners. Through every word he speak, fell echoing through the shadowness of the still house. From one man left awake, they heard his foot upon the stairwell, and the sound of the iron stone. And silence touched softly backward when the clanging hooves were gone. The Listeners by Walter D. Mann.